This is Matiullah Khan, a student of Metropolia University in the degree program Electronics Engineering. I am expressing myself on the course Management of Change. What is Management of Change? What I have learned from Management of Change course. Attitude is everything. Learning is never ending. Changing is vital. Adopting oneself to the new changes in the department, in the organization. Relationship with the bosses, with the colleagues creates a very good atmosphere, congenial and conducive environment, and a win-win situation. Going with like-minded people make the things easy, make all the processes easy. All the projects, all the working environment, the people easy to adopt to new trends and technology and the future trends which are introduced time to time by the managers are easily accepted and easily workable whenever you have a group of like-minded people. Cultural and societal mix-up. The language fetch the attention of those people, those environment where you live, whether you live in any country, when you know the language, the communication gap is less. You fetch the attention of the people. You adopt to the culture. You adopt to the custom. And if you use that communication language within the environment, working environment, then it is easily accessible to understand all the information, to access the information, and to easily communicate with the people. Time management, working with the colleagues and doing all tasks and performing one task efficiently, effectively in time management create a big uh, attract the attention of the employer, and one person and one employee become prominent more the attention by the employer. It becomes the more attentive part of the organization as a team member. So he is more interested. She is more interested if he has more skills, time management, working task efficiently, effectively, and going with like-minded people in the organization. So my personal experience in my 13 years of stay in Europe has always been on the emphasis that what to do by this course change of management has taught more things for me to learn, how to adopt myself in the society, how to go for integration, societal mix-up, and how to deal with the colleagues, how to make relationship with my bosses, and how efficiently I should work, and how my skills, matching skills, if I do any project, any work, I should fetch the attention of my employers by virtue of my hard work, by doing more and effectively and efficiently, then I can fetch the attention of my employers. And by this means I have won many bonuses, I have won many prizes. My salary has been, my wages has been increased by fetching the attention of my employers by my hard work, and I adopted myself to the environment, and I always remained a good colleague of my uh, working colleagues in the environment and with the boss. So these are the virtues. The change of management has taught me a lot, that adopting myself to the working environment, doing more efficiently, effectively, making good relationship with my employer, and utilizing my skills in the best interest of the organization, and societal mix-up and understanding and going with like-minded people. I learned this, and during the course of discussion, I have shared these values in the group discussion. I have learned a lot. So I appreciate this course for everybody to do. Thank you very much. So nice.